Hey everyone, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the rugged beast, the Hotwav W11. This phone is built for the outdoors with features that scream adventure. Let's get into my first impressions. Before starting, let me tell you about a very useful tool. Have you ever stuck with a phone you couldn't unlock? Maybe it was a second-hand device, or you simply forgot your password, or perhaps you are switching phones and worried about losing all your WhatsApp chats and memories. Don't worry, I have got the perfect solution for you, Wondershare Dr.Fone. Let me tell you about its standard feature, Screen Unlock. Whether you have forgotten your passcode, entered the wrong password too many times, or you are locked out of a second-hand phone, Dr.Fone has you covered. It works on both Android and iOS devices, and with just a few simple steps, you can regain access without needing to reset your phone or losing your data. And that's just the beginning. Have you ever switched phones and struggled to transfer all your WhatsApp chats, photos and files? Dr.Fone WhatsApp Transfer makes this process seamless. You can move all your data between Android and iOS devices effortlessly. No missing messages, no lost memories. It's perfect for anyone upgrading to a new phone or consolidating accounts. Speaking of backups, if you are planning to upgrade your phone to the latest iOS or Android version, Dr.Fone has your back there too. It can securely back up your data before the update, and if anything goes wrong, its system repair tool can help you fix issues or even downgrade to the previous version. So, whether you are locked out of your phone, switching to a new device, or upgrading your system, Wondershare Dr.Fone has all the tools you need to make the process stress-free. Don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. Click the link in the description to get started today. So, when you first unbox the Hotwav W11, the package itself feels sturdy and well protected. Right out of the box, you have got the essentials. There's an OTG cable for on-the-go connections, a 9V2.2 charger for that mega battery, and even steel protective film, along with the user manuals and warranty card. Overall, it's a complete package for someone ready to push this phone to its limits. Now, let's talk about the main highlight, the battery. This phone comes with a whopping 20,800 mAh battery. That's right, 20,800. It promises up to 100 days of standby, which is absolutely insane for someone who loves camping or just hate charging their phone every day. This is a game changer. With 33-watt fast charging, you don't have to wait long either. Plus, reverse charging is supported, which means you can charge other devices using the W11. Think of it as a massive power bank in your pocket that can fuel up your consoles, Bluetooth speakers, or even another phone. And it's 50% faster than its previous versions in reverse charging, so that's an added bonus. When it comes to the design, the W11 feels as rugged as it looks. It's built to survive tough environments, perfect for those who love adventure. Plus, Hotwav added a 280 lumen camping light, which is a really cool feature. Whether you are outdoors, camping, or just need an emergency light, this is a solid addition. The 6-watt LED light has over 500 lighting beats, and the brightness is seriously impressive. It's ideal for those pitch black nights in the wilderness. Now onto the display, the W11 boasts a 6.6-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is decent, ranging from 450 to 480 nits. It's not the brightest screen out there, but for outdoor use, it holds up well. Plus, the display size is great for watching videos, browsing, and even some gaming. Inside, it's powered by the MT8788 chipset, which isn't the top-of-the-line processor, but gets the job done for most tasks. You have got 6GB of RAM plus 6GB of virtual RAM, bringing it to a total of 12GB and 256GB of storage. That's a plenty for all your photos, videos and apps. Speaking of photos, the camera setup is where the W11 shines for outdoor enthusiasts. On the back, there's a 64-megapixel Sony main camera. This lens is fantastic for capturing detailed photos in bright light, and the quality is very impressive. Plus, there's a 24-megapixel night vision camera with dual IR sensor. This is perfect if you're exploring at night or need to capture shots in complete darkness. It's actually super clear, and for adventurers or wildlife enthusiasts, this feature is golden. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel Samsung camera for selfies, and it holds up pretty well for your standard selfie needs. Another cool feature is the NFC support, which means you can use it for contactless payments. Overall, my first impression of the Hotwav W11 is that it's a powerhouse built for those who need durability and reliability in extreme conditions. The massive battery, rugged design, and powerful cameras make it a strong contender for anyone who loves the outdoors or needs a phone that can go extra mile. That's it for now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what do you think about this rugged monster. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring. Bye bye.